Okay, Tanya.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, a screw look like a nail.
And
Sir, his work is to.
okay,
सर वो किसी चीज को
okay, I got it. Okay, let's see here. See, a screw looks like a nail. Nail, you know, like this. Okay, hammer and nail combination. Okay, then it is actually an inclined plane that wraps around a cylinder to form a spiral shape at one end. So how it is an inclined plane? Let's see here. For understanding this, you just take a sheet of paper, okay, in this shape, this right angle triangle, okay, and you can take a pencil which is cylindrical in shape. And you have to wrap this paper on this cylinder. So it will be like, if you wrap, the folding will be like this. So in book, just read the point, read from the first line. It is actually an inclined plane that wraps around a cylinder to form a spiral shape at one end. Means it is actually an inclined plane that wraps around the cylinder. That is inclined plane. Okay. And that is cylinder. Okay. You can take a piece of paper in this shape, right angle triangle, okay, and cylinder means just take your pen or pencil, okay, which is cylindrical in shape. You have to wrap this paper, inclined plane shape paper, on this pencil. So you will find that when you wrap this type of spiral shape, okay, curve shape, so this looks like a screw. Okay, so this is the meaning for the second and third line explanation. The groups or thread of the screw are the slope, means like a slope. You can see here, slope means the slanting structure, this type. Okay, this is inclined plane and this is slope. Okay, from where you can slide. So this is slope. You can see here. And in the figure of screw on the page number 136, you can see the groups or thread of the screw are the slope. Means slope means sliding surface. Here, slope. Okay, from here, sliding slope, slope, slope. Okay, the slope of the screw makes it easier to push into something that than a plain nail. A screw is used to hold things together firmly. Okay, the screw also used to hold things firmly. Suppose nail does not groove into a wall, but a screw can easily go into it because it have a slope, and it when you rotate the screw, what happened? It goes inside. So one thing I want to tell you in the screw. Suppose something is moving, okay, and something is rotating. So if something is moving, there are two types of motion: linear and rotational. Okay, one linear, second rotational. Okay, just tell me, if something is moving in a straight line, so which type of motion it will be, linear or rotational? Okay, I will ask from one of the student, Anumeya. Which type of motion? If something is moving on a straight line, which type of motion, linear or rotational? Okay, Anumeya. Okay, Adarsh.
Sir,
Adarsh,
linear motion.
linear. And something is rotating, then which type of motion it will be?
Sir, rotational motion.
Okay, good. So when you rotate the screw, what happened? When we rotate something, the rotational motion. So in the screw, rotational motion change into the linear motion, because screw also goes inside the wall. Suppose this board is fitted by the screw at the corner. Okay, this board, or you can take example from your home, anything, screw. So when you rotate the screw, so which type of motion? Rotational motion. And when screw goes inside the wall, so which type of motion? Because it is moving inside in a straight line, so rotational motion change into linear motion. So for this screw, you just remember this point. Rotational motion change into linear motion. Okay, so this is all about the simple machine screw. Okay, first it looks like a nail. About the screw, first it looks like a nail. And what is it? It is a actually inclined plane that wraps around a cylinder to form a spiral shape. Means suppose this is a cylindrical shape. If we wrap a inclined plane paper, I have told you na, right angle triangle shape paper. Okay, so what happened? We will get a spiral shape. Okay, that is spiral shape on this wrapping, on this chalk, or we just take a pencil pen that is in cylindrical shape. So the grooves or thread are a slope, and when you rotate it, the slope helps this screw to go inside the wall or any wooden thing. Okay, now Ananya Rai.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So did you understand about the simple machine screw?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which type of motion change into which type of motion in the screw?
Sir, what?
I just told you recently that dash, if I give you the fill in the blanks, dash motion change into dash motion. So what will be the answer in the first fill in the blanks and the second?
Sir, linear motion changed into rotational motion.
Okay. Nilesh.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nilesh. So what is the answer?
Rotational. Rotational. Sir, what is question? What? Tell me.
See, fill in the blanks. In the screw, dash motion change into dash motion.
Rotational motion change into, sir. What is the name, sir?
Linear.
Linear motion.
That is the correct answer. Okay. So here, rotational motion change into linear motion. So Nilesh, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember this thing. First, in the first blank, if you have given fill in the blanks, in the first blanks you have to fill rotational, in the second linear, because when you rotate the screw, first rotational motion, then it change into linear motion. See, rotational, then it goes inside, then linear. First rotate, then move. Okay. Sakshi. Yes, Sakshi. Fifth D. Unmute yourself. You have raised your hand. Okay. Another student. Sambhavi. Yes, Sambhavi. You're not responding. Okay, Divyans. Divyans. No one is answering. Why? Okay, Shrestha Pandey.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shrestha. Okay, you have to define a screw. What you understand in the line wise or point wise, you can define.
Sir, screw.
In your own language. There is no need to
Yes.
define the book definition.
Yes, sir. Sir, screw. Sir, it's looking like a nail.
First, you tell me screw is a which type of machine?
Sir, screw. Sir, screw is sir simple machine.
Okay, now you define screw is a simple machine. First point you have told. Now.
Yes, sir. Sir, then sir, screw is looking like a nail.
Okay.
And sir, it is inclined plane.
Hmm?
Uh, sir, that warps a cylinder to form a spiral shape at the end.
Okay, very good. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Now we will discuss about the wheel and axle. Okay. The next simple machine is wheel and axle. So wheel axle is a simple machine in which wheel is connected to a small rod axle. So first, like this, wheel. Okay. And it is connected to a small rod here. That rod is called axle. So this rod. So in the cars, when you see the steering, this steering is connected to a rod from the to the that front wheels. Okay, and this rod is called axle, and this steering is called wheel. Okay, so wheel and axle. So wheel and axle is used in the car steering. That wheel, and this wheel is connected to an axle that is joined to the front tires or front wheel of the car. Okay, so when you drive, when you rotate, what happened? The front wheel of the car rotates, and in this way we can change the direction of our car. Okay, so before starting, I want to know from you that what do you understand by the wheel and axle? Okay, Gulbanu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, what do you understand by the wheel and axle? Okay, Princess. Okay, Kautilya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kautilya. Once again, define wheel and axle.
What, sir?
Wheel and axle. You have to define the simple machine wheel and axle. That is last simple machine.
Sir, wheel and axle.
Hmm. Just be quick. Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
wheel and axle is a simple machine in
Hmm.
which a wheel is connected to a small rod called axle.
Okay, good. So I have told you in wheel and axle what happened, that there is a wheel and it is connected to a rod. Okay, rod. So that rod is called axle, and where it is used in a doorknob, means when you use in the door, sometimes there is a that no handle is there. There is a knob, door knob like this. So wheel and axle. Okay, steering wheel. Okay, these two are the simple machine, that is wheel and axle. Okay, a car, bus, truck have long axle, while a bicycle, skating board, and sewing machine have short axle. So in the cycle also, when you turn the handle, it is also based on this simple machine, wheel and axle. So for now, today the time is over. Okay, now the revision of this chapter is completed. Okay, if you have any doubt, so you may ask. Okay, Sharve Agrawal. Yes. Okay, if you have any doubt, Shrestha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So you understand
Sir,
about the, yes,
sir, I can't understand about screw.
screw. Okay, let's see here. First, screw is like a nail. Okay, you know about hammer and nail.
Yes, sir.
You know about the hammer and nail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is said that first screw is a simple machine. Okay, and this is which simple machine?
Inclined plane.
Okay, and you the your pencil in which shape? Your pencil, your pen, which shape?
Cylinder shape.
Cylindrical shape. Okay, so see here. This is, suppose this is your pencil, sharp pencil. Okay, like this. And this inclined plane when wraps means when you fold this inclined plane, like suppose this page, you take a book, a page in the shape of this inclined plane. Okay, this shape. Okay, when you wrap it means when you fold this
Yes, sir.
paper on this cylindrical shape, you will find some spiral type structure, means this type of thing. Okay, and this is slope. Slope means sliding surface. You can see here sliding, sliding, slope. Can you understand the slope?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this helps to
Yes, sir.
penetrate any wooden surface, any wall. Suppose this is a screw, and what happened? You take a screwdriver and you rotate the screw. So screw rotate, is it? Are you getting my point? A screw rotates now. When you take a screwdriver and rotate the screw, screw rotates.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so due to this groove, this is slopy surface, this screw penetrates the wooden surface or any wall, but it cannot be possible in the simple nail due to this slope or this spiral shape. What happened? Screw provide advantage to us to penetrate any wooden surface or any wall. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and which type of motion convert into which motion in the screw? First screw rotates and then it moves. Okay, I'm asking once again to one of the another student, Shraddha. Okay, which type of motion change into which motion in this screw? Shraddha. Okay,
Morning, sir.
good morning, Shraddha. Tell me,
Sir, what?
in this screw, which motion change into which motion? We have discussed just few moments ago. First screw rotates, then it goes inside the wall. It moves. Which motion change into which motion? Okay, we don't know. Okay, Anumeya. I want the answer from your side. Samriddhi.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, rotational motion changes into linear motion.
Okay, very good. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so for now, thank you everyone. Bye and take care.